Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to SirenNet Television.
I'm Chris, great to see everybody here.
And we've got, well, you've got a product from Able2. It is the 30.24.
Siren lighting controller.
There you go, sounds kind of good, 30.2400.
302400. Yeah, it's kind of a neat part number and considering what we're used to dealing with on other
Now
stuff.
this is a lighting controller. So it's got siren amplification.
It does indeed.
Okay.
So everything
PA.
that our clients are going to need for controlling their vehicles.
All right.
So.
Well, why don't you go across to the workbench and show it. As Chris goes across the studio, we will go and join him right now.
Able2 show me and their new 30-2400 series Siren amplifier combination is the perfect add-in for any of you putting together a new emergency services vehicle or wanting to maintain easy control of your POV and getting that well equipped. So with this fixture, a nice durable powder coat housing surrounds all the electronics that Able2 show me has incorporated into this self-contained fixture. Bell bracket to get it installed. So with that, you can add it into your factory center console or hang it under the vehicle's dashboard if you're doing a truck or an SUV. Or for doing a full vehicle equipped with a nice aftermarket console, an according faceplate can drop this right in so it's a nice flush ergonomic finish. For controlling your lighting and accessories, incorporated into the top is a progressive slide switch offering position 1, 2, and 3, and a corresponding vibrant red diode atop. You then have the additional 4 push buttons that are a conventional on and off. A corresponding diode atop each of those as well, letting you know what is being used with your on-off switches and what is yet to be turned on. So when it comes to the switch panel on the top, on the rear of the fixture, plenty of easy to follow pigtails to get this started and wired into your vehicle. So for the progressive switch and the 4 buttons, the unit offers its own independent power and ground harness to tie into 12 volts. For each position on the slide switch, a corresponding trigger wire, so 1, 2, 3 wires total, and a corresponding trigger wire for each of the 4 buttons. When it comes to this, you're not going to be able to completely maximize this to your heart's content with electronics, so make sure to take into consideration 10 amps max for each of the inputs and a combined total when everything is operating 30 amps maximum. But with today's low current LED products, great for tying in warning systems and then tying in LED flood and scene lighting, so those would be your bit of a higher draw, so perfect add-ons for the buttons here. So with this fixture, it's designed to tie into one 100-watt speaker. With this, you also have a hardwire coil cord microphone, so very easy to operate, push button on the side, and for mounting this, a microphone clip is included out of the package. Now when it comes to operating the siren tones on this fixture, Able2 show me has their own power harness, so total of 2 harnesses to wire in for operating this system as a full. You then have trigger wires that'll tie into your vehicle's single speaker, so a pair of browns. You then can do radio rebroadcasts through a corresponding trigger wire. You can then do hands-free through your vehicle's horn ringer, and another really nice feature that's automatically incorporated is a kill function. So you'll take the white trigger wire and you can tie that into your negative transmission input, so it'll automatically deactivate the siren upon shifting the vehicle into park, or you could take advantage of grounding that into a door trigger. So again, you can have full lights, full sirens. You don't have to worry about disengaging with the transmission shift, but when you open the driver's door, that's automatically going to shut down corresponding siren tones. So really useful automatic feature to have there, so you don't have to worry about hitting a button before exiting the vehicle. So when it comes to operating the siren tones, that is going to carry over to the rotary switch here in the corner. So that's going to be your master on and off for siren tones. It's also going to be the volume adjustment for the microphone itself, and it is a noise canceling mic. So again, really nice feature built in. So with this, when the siren functions are on and activated, you'll notice that it has a nice back glow indicating the function. So very easy on the eyes when you're reaching over, hitting buttons corresponding to day or nighttime use. So with this, Able2 show me has given you the rotary knob, lets you operate siren tones continuously. So example of the rotary knob in use, continuous tone activation. When it comes to this fixture, you have a really neat siren tone function, and it's called intersection. So when the rotary knob is in the tap position and you activate intersection, there you have it, a cycling between 3 tones, including air horn. And with this feature here, it's going to be really nice, automatically adjusting tones when the vehicle is responding, full lights, full siren. So grabbing all the attention that's necessary. From there, additional push buttons can be used. And button for a piercer tone and momentary activation. So again, full-featured siren amplification. And with the tones sounding nice and quietly here in the studio, that's being done through a nice little resistor that I'm using behind the counter. So easy for us here in the studio, but when this is installed on your emergency services vehicle, a full 100-watt output you will have. And when it comes to ordering this great product, again, the 30-2400 from Able to Show Me on our products page on sirennet.com, we have a nice variety of speakers that you can combine. Able to and their cones design speakers, and of course our SirenNet series, the little guy here, our SN SP3. So a great combination to be found. So there you have it. Light control, siren control, and plenty of great features automatically built in.
Well, Chris, pretty good show and tell.
Thank you, sir. What do you think?
Great. I love the chair. It's amazing. I can swivel around and helps me be mobile. You enjoyed it?
I did.
The chair, that was.
The chair and the product, of course.
There you go.
Great things from our friends at Able to, and the chair.
Yeah, his doesn't swivel. So again, it was the Able to 30.2400, and it's available here on SirenNet.
Of course.
Nice little unit.
It is indeed perfect for vehicles, dropping it under the dashboard, or of course, if you're doing the aftermarket console through us, drop it right in with the faceplate.
There you go. So drop into SirenNet and check it out. I'm Stuart.
I'm Chris.
Have a great day.